What's up, guys? I'm here today to talk to you about the scuba diving industry and the coronavirus. So whether or not you believe in it, it's definitely clear that this is already affecting our economy and definitely the scuba diving industry. We are a travel-based industry, and so people are already feeling the heat. So I just wanted to bring up some important ways that divers and shop owners can use just to keep our industry alive, make sure that those dive shops stay open. They are small businesses, and these are the ones that are going to be hit the hardest through this entire thing. Scuba divers. So, some great things that you could do: dive local. Your trip may have gotten canceled, postponed, whatever, but have you tried your local dive shop? Even if you don't live anywhere near the ocean, there's quarries, there's lakes, there's tons of cool places. Lots of times people have set up little obstacle courses down there, and there's so much to explore. So why not just support your local dive shop? If they're not near the ocean, they're probably getting hit even harder than the ones that are next to it. So it's a great time to try those out. Connect with some local divers that you can go on trips with in the future. Another good way is to start on e-learning. So why not start a class through e-learning while you have this 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depending on your state, at home. It's a great time just to learn some new skills, brush up on everything, get ready for that next dive adventure. And lastly, if you have been considering buying some dive equipment but you just haven't yet, now is a great time to go to your local dive shop, pick up that new, especially mask, regulator. You know, even if you don't feel comfortable now renting that, why not just purchase it? You would really be helping out your local dive shop in that way. And dive shops, why not run some specials for pre-booking summer courses? You could also do an online project aware course. What about doing some Facebook Live conferences where you guys can just talk about things and let people chime in on upcoming scheduled events, so you can plan something together. If you already don't have your gear on your website, put your gear on your website. That's a great way for people to browse what you have while they're at home, and you can make some sales that way. And lastly, remind your community that you need their help and support, okay? All of us have our favorite dive shops. We definitely follow them on Facebook and Instagram, and if you don't, you should. And so just reach out to them. Everyone in our community wants to help and make sure that the diving industry isn't affected too bad by this, so that we can get out on all of our travel plans that we have planned in the future. I think the important thing is that we all just band together as the dive community and work to keep all of us afloat. My name is Caitlin McCall, and I can't wait to dive with all of you guys after all of this coronavirus stuff is over. Or before. Call me.